Conversation 76. Settling down.
How are you settling in?
Oh, we're still in a bit of a mess, but Lisa seems to like it here.
That's good. Is there a garden for her to play in?
Yes, it's not very big, but we've got a small swimming pool.
Have you found a school for Jerry?
Yes, there's one near here. It takes only 5 minutes by car.
That's good. So you like it there, do you, Neil?
Yes, this is a very good place for my children. Conversation 77. Will you get some bread for me?
Is there a bakery near here?
Yes, you can get there in 5 minutes.
That's good. I don't have much time.
Why are you going to the bakery?
To buy birthday cake.
Whose birthday is it?
My daughter's. She's 10.
That's nice. Will you get some bread for me?
Sure. Do you want anything else?
No, thanks. I'll pay you when you get back. Conversation 78. Buying a present in a jeweler's shop. I'm trying to find a wedding anniversary present for my wife.
Yes, sir. What exactly are you looking for?
I'm not sure, really. Perhaps you can help me.
Right. I'll show you some pendants.
No, I bought a pendant for her birthday.
Maybe a necklace, then. These necklaces are made of gold.
Yes. I like this one. What's the stone?
It's a ruby, sir. And it's only $1,200.
Well, perhaps you could show me some bracelets, then. Conversation 79. Buying a present in a toy shop.
Good morning. Perhaps you can advise me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm looking for a toy. For my niece.
Oh, yes. How old is she?
She'll be 7 years old on Sunday.
Skateboards are still very popular.
I don't want her to hurt herself.
What about a Barbie doll set?
I don't think so. She has many Barbie dolls. Have you got anything educational? You see, she's a very intelligent girl.
I've got the perfect thing. A do-it-yourself kit where you can build your own Barbie doll who rides a skateboard. Conversation 80. Making a reservation. Can I get some tickets for plays?
Yes. Is there a specific play that you want to see?
What plays are on tonight?
Cats. But it's sold out.
Are there any seats left for tomorrow night?
Yes. How many tickets do you want?
2, please.
Where would you like to sit?
I'm not sure.
Well, here's a seating plan of the concert hall.
How much is it in the middle section?
$50.
$50. That's a little too expensive for us. How much is it in the back?
$35.
That's fine. What time does the play start?
At 7 o'clock.
What time will the play be over?
At 9:30.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.